Baby giraffes, those long-necked wonders, full of charm and curiosity. But there's a lot more to these adorable creatures than meets the eye. Let's dive into 15 fascinating facts about these elegant giants. Ever wondered how tall a newborn giraffe is? Well, they are born taller than most humans, standing at an impressive 6 feet. That's taller than some of your favorite basketball players at birth. The journey into the world for these babies is quite a drop, literally. Mother giraffes give birth standing up, meaning a drop of over 5 feet for the newborn. Talk about an exciting entrance. Those iconic, long legs? They're not just for show. Within just an hour after birth, baby giraffes are up and running, joining the herd in no time. It's a wild first step into the world. Those iconic, long legs? They're not just for show. Within just an hour after birth, baby giraffes are up and running, joining the herd in no time. It's a wild first step into the world. Their spots aren't just pretty patterns. Each giraffe's spot pattern is as unique as a human's fingerprint. That's their version of a cool and unique tattoo, right from birth. Baby giraffes have a special name. They're called calves. And these calves are born heavy, weighing in between 100 to 150 pounds. That's one heavyweight baby. Don't let their gentle appearance fool you. Baby giraffes are quite the fighters. They can defend themselves by swinging their heads, which can be quite a powerful punch. Speaking of heads, ever notice those small horns on a giraffe's head? These are called ossicones. Unlike deer antlers, these ossicones are permanent and covered with skin. Adult giraffes are the tallest land animals, towering over the plains at a staggering 14 to 19 feet. That's like a 2-story building walking around. Despite their size, giraffes are surprisingly fast runners. They can reach speeds up to 35 miles per hour. Not bad for an animal with such long legs, right? You might think they're silent creatures, but giraffes actually communicate using sounds that are too low for humans to hear. Talk about a secret language. Giraffes have a secret weapon, their tongues. Not only are they incredibly long, reaching up to 20 inches, but they're also prehensile, meaning they can grasp things, a handy tool when you're reaching for those high branches. They're also incredible drinkers. Giraffes only need to drink once every few days. Most of their water comes from the plants they eat. Adult giraffes need less than 30 minutes of sleep in a 24-hour period. They often achieve this in quick power naps. Their hearts are truly huge. An adult giraffe's heart weighs about 25 pounds and is 2 feet long. It's the power engine that keeps these tall creatures going. Finally, adult giraffes have a lifespan of up to 25 years in the wild. They spend their days grazing on the tops of trees and caring for their young ones. So that's it, 15 fascinating facts about baby and adult giraffes. These gentle giants are indeed full of surprises. Next time you see a giraffe, you'll appreciate just how unique and incredible they truly are.